Sarah and Chloe. Here is a short video to show you how to get started with using Google Drive. So first of all, you have to make sure you have a drive, and once you do, you're going to add a new folder. And you're going to call the folder CHST 400 and then underscore and your name, Sarah or Chloe, and create. And there it is. So now I'm going to open the folder, and here I'm going to put all of the assignments that I've worked on in my courses. So we'll pretend that these are some of your assignments. I'm just going to add a few different ones here. I have a couple there. So you can see the folders go right in, and I'm going to close this window and then go back to my drive, go to the folder. I'm hovering, right click, and here I want to share. So I'm going to hit select share, and you're going to type in my email address, which is seliason@bridgew.edu, and that's done. So now I'll get an email inviting me to share your drive. So after you have a drive, you're going to, and I don't know, there's probably an easier way to do this. I could look at Google Apps to see if I do have sites. So I'm going to go to sites here. If you don't have it show up in yours, you can just type in into your search engine Google Sites and get to Google Sites. So now I go to Google Sites and I want to create in New Sites. And here is my untitled site. So I'm going to call this CHST 400 and your name, Sarah or Chloe. And here you will just want to maybe call this the Childhood Studies Capstone Portfolio. All right, and then if you want to get fancy, you can do things like change images, and you can select one. You could upload an image from your own folder. Here, then, you want to make sure that you insert some pages. So over here in this menu, there's something called Pages. This is the home page, but you want to add a page for each of the courses. So you'll go through, and the first one was all about me. And you could either put that into the home page or you can create a separate page. It's your choice. Then I want to add CHS 203, your humanities. So I know one of you, and I'm sorry I don't remember who, one of you had English and one of you had children's theater. And then you'll want to add your social science and so on, and you'll just continue like that. So that's done. So now as I was adding, they come across the top. So there are different themes. So if you want to change the theme, you can. You can change the font style, whatever works for you. So I'm going to go back to this page. I'll go to the CHS 203, and here now I want to insert. So I'm going to do a text box, and I'm going to copy and paste your revised narrative or reflection. So that's your first thing. Then I'm going to go to my drive because I have all of my assignments in the drive, and that's really critical that you do that. So you go to your drive. Chances are it's a recent document. So here I'll add one of my assignments and then I'll add the other. And I'm just double clicking on both. So there are my assignments and my reflection. And then I just continue working my way through the rest of the assignments. Last step, you'll need to share it with me. So again, you go up here to the share button. You can type in my name. Or you can, and that's probably the preferred way. So again, you'll type in Esalison and it'll probably come right up, and you'll select it and send, and make sure I'm at an editor. Now, when I go in to look at this, so let me go back to Sites. I'm going to go to Sites Home. And actually, I just got an email that said you shared it with me. So I'm going to go to my email and I can open it from there. And I may have to request access, which I should get in a minute. And that again will come right to me, or in your case to you. And I can go here. Oh, that was the drive access. Okay. And I will go up to my email. Uh-oh, I'm still getting denied. I don't know what the loop is about. So anyways, I will show you what it looks like in the site because I created it. I can look at it, and that's probably the issue. There it is. I can go in, and if I look at it in preview mode, I can see all of your reflections. I can scroll through and read your assignments. So that's how you create a Google Doc in a Google site and complete your portfolio for Childhood Studies Capstone. If you have any questions at all, please ask, and I look forward to working with you.